Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to run R code inside Jupyter Notebook using Anaconda. It's easy and you don't need to leave your Python environment. So let's get started. So first, you need to install R on your computer. So you need to go to this webpage cran.rproject.org, and over here we can download R for Windows, Mac OS or Linux based on your operating system, and you can install it like any other software. It's quick and simple. So I'll download R for Windows. So it will take some time depending on the internet speed. After installing R, we need to add our kernel to Jupyter Notebook. So for that we need to open the Anaconda prompt and type the following command: conda install CRR essentials. So this will install R and all necessary packages including the IR kernel for Jupyter. So this may take a few minutes depending on your internet. So after we have downloaded and extracted the packages, we need to launch Jupyter Notebook by writing Jupyter Notebook. Now when you go to the new in the top right corner, you see an option that says R. Click on that and you are ready to write and run R code inside Jupyter Notebook. So let me name this as R code and let me try running an R code in this Jupyter Notebook cell. So let me write X minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then let me write mean of X. Let me run this. So we have got the output. So this shows that we have just run an R code in Jupyter Notebook. And that's how you run R in Jupyter Notebook using Anaconda. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.